The James Webb Space Telescope is a truly remarkable feat of scientific and engineering innovation. As the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST represents a significant leap forward in our ability to observe the universe and expand our understanding of its many mysteries. It also constitutes a monumental achievement in space exploration, offering the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos and provide breathtaking insights into the universe's most profound puzzles. But sometimes, when looking for answers in the cosmos, more questions appear. And that is exactly what happened with JWST when it released an image on 26th of June. This is the Universe Factory, and today we are going to talk about the most detailed look at a pair of actively forming young stars that JWST observed. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to provide answers about the earliest days of the universe, but it's also discovering more question marks to be precise. The JWST team at the European Space Agency released an image on Wednesday, June 26. This image is offering the most detailed look at two actively forming young stars that are located 1,470 light years from the Earth in the Vela constellation. In the image, the stars named Herbig Haro 46/47 are surrounded by a disk of material that feeds the stars as they grow for millions of years. But just below those stars, in the background of the stunning deep space image, is an object resembling a giant cosmic question mark. Before we move ahead, I'd like to take a moment and thank all of you for being part of our cosmic community till now. But if you are new here, subscribe to the Universe Factory front row seats to the astronomical journey and press the bell notification next to it. This way you don't worry about missing out any of our future content that we'll post here. Find us on social media platforms and stay connected with us, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Be sure to check out. As mentioned earlier, the object in the JWST image that we are discussing here is called as Herbig Haro 46/47 or HH 46/47. These HH objects are bright patches of nebulosities associated with the newborn stars. Now, this HH 46/47 complex is located at around 1,470 light years away in the Vela constellation. This image of JWST shows numerous of bright points representing hundreds of galaxies scattered throughout the dark background of the universe. The most striking details of this image are the two-sided lobes that fan out from the actively forming central stars represented in fiery orange. The two-sided orange lobes were created by earlier ejections from these stars. The star's more recent ejections appear in the thread-like blue running along the angle diffraction spike that covers the orange lobes. Much of this material was shot out from those stars as they repeatedly ingest and eject the gas and dust that immediately surround them over thousands of years. But while studying this image deeply, researchers found out a fascinating object in the shape of a question mark. Does that mean the universe is asking us something? It is unclear exactly what the question mark shaped object might be, but its color and shape give us some idea. It is probably a distant galaxy or potentially interacting galaxies, and their interaction may have caused a distorted question mark shape. According to Space Telescope Science Institute, the object's red color in the JWST image tells us that the object, whatever it may be, is quite distant. Even more exciting, this might be the first time astronomers have seen the cosmic question mark. This interesting shape could be the result of merger of the galaxies. The upper part of the question mark could be the larger galaxy undergoing tidal disruption due to the merger. Despite how chaotic the mergers are, double-lobed objects with curvy tails extending away from them are very typical. There are plenty of the other possibilities as well, but definitely it is not a star. This is due to the lack of the 8 prolonged refraction spikes that appear to come outward from the stars in JWST's images as a result of its mirrors. More stunning discoveries such as the cosmic question mark are sure to come thanks to JWST's high-resolution near-infrared imaging capabilities. These powers allow it to peer into the far reaches of the universe, spotting the galaxies as distant as 13.4 billion light-years away that existed just 420 million years after the Big Bang. Over 750 pieces of peer-reviewed scientific literature using data produced by JWST have been published in its first year of operations according to Space Telescope Science Institute. Additional follow-up would be required to figure out what it is with any certainty. Webb is showing us many new distant galaxies, so there is a lot of new science to be done. Now that being said, we conclude our today's video where we discussed about the cosmic question mark that was observed by JWST. If you found this video informative, helpful, and if you learned something new, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow space admirers. Meanwhile, watch these recommended videos if you are curious about scary Barbie event in the space or want to know more about one of the most iconic images that Hubble Space Telescope captured. We will be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, dream bigger, reach for the stars, and as always, keep looking up.